Yan, sir. Sir, naka-live na yan. Okay. Infinity versus Hotel, first game. Okay, let's start the ball game. Uy. Okay. Jump ball. Start the ball game. Infinity versus O10. Black. O10 wearing a black jersey. And O10 wearing Infinity wearing white jersey. Okay. Jumbo, first ball possession, white, penetrate and toss, all the way to the hoop, connects 2 points, first basket of the game. Sir Carrion, nagbaba ng bola, looking for a pass, on the right wing, transition of play on the left wing, baseline drive, T-drop, no basket, offensive rebound pa rin ng 27. On the right wing, aim for 3, no basket, air ball, pass break to jersey number 3. Hinaras ng 3, no basket, defensive rebound, jersey number 27. Inward pass, catch and shoot, basket, a mid-range J, first deadlock. Bola, jersey number 20. Setting up the play, inward pass, kick out, on the left wing. Connects 3 points. 5-2 in favor of white. Sir Carrion is scouting the floor, surveying the floor. He pasa sa baseline. Natapikan is steal. Takay 0-2. All the way to the hoop. Drop pass. Outbound. Loses the ball. Turnover. Out of bound. Sir Carrion receiving the ball. On the right wing. Pasa, deflected. Almost a steal. Pasa kay Sir Carrion, penetrate, and traveling violation. Turnover. Narattle si Sir Carrion doon. Good D by White team. Sideline throw in yan. There's a violation. Taki 20 para sa White team. Infinity. Pasa na naman sa nag-inbound. Inward pass. Turnaround shot. Off the ring. Offensive rebound. A putback by jersey number 20. And jersey number 22. Paasa na kagad sa 27. All the way. Driving through and outbound. Turnover. Backboard. Overshoot. On the left wing, inward pass sa 25. On the right wing, aim for 3. Off the ring, defensive rebound, jersey number 30. Controls the board. Penetrate. Engaging. Harass. Steal. Complete steal by jersey number 2. Atake ang 3. Oh, nagpambol. Steal by jersey number 30. Pass break yan sa 27. Drop pass 14. Switch back down. Naipit sa baseline. Switch back sa 14. A pull up. Short. Shot lock down to 14. On the side. Off the ring again. Tinapit ang bola. Nasa 14. Drop pass sa 22. Kay Sir Carrion. Naharas. Pop out. Tumama sa kanya. Turnover to Infinity. Jersey number 20. Inward pass. Kick out on the left wing. Penetrate sa baseline. Drop pass. Yun, nangahasel yung big man doon. Hesitate. Penetrate sa baseline. Reverse layup. Airball. Defensive rebound 14 yan. Controls the board. Pass to jersey number 27. Drop pass lang yun. 30. Basket. Score and 7. White leading by 3 points. On the left wing, inward pass sa 25C. Shot lock winding down, penetrate si C. Drop pass lang sa baseline. On the shoulder, no basket. Atake ngayon ang 30 para sa block team. Engaging, hinaras, steal by jersey number 20. Pass break yan sa 3. 3 and 3. Napambol yon. Shot lock down to 15. A pull up, mid-range J, no basket. Offensive rebound ng 3. Kick out sa 2. Penetrate, engaging, a pull up, no basket. Wala pa rin yan. Follow up shot. Pass break, interception, a bad pass. Pasa na yan. Ginomba pa. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Substitution. Mandatory. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 5 in this first lap, first period. On the right wing, aim for 3, short. Scrambling for the ball. Same ball possession, last touch White. Jersey number 10. Throw in by jersey number 10. Kick out sa 5. Pasa. On the right wing. Inward pass. Hinaras. Steal by jersey number 16. Complete steal. Pinasa lang yan sa referee. Outbound. Turnover. Out of bound. Viral. Scouting the floor. Pasa na yan. Doble sa is. Switch bakita Viral. Drop pass lang yun sa 8. Shot lock, counting down. Atake doble sa teardrop. A looper, basket. Atake ang 11 para sa White. Infinity. Inward pa sa 16. Naharas ang 16. Atake engaging, naharas. Steal. Foul holding by jersey number 16. 16 yun, 16. Sideline throwing for Black. To Capiral, jersey number 5. Connects 2 points. Perimeter shot. 3 minutes and 28. In this first period, pasa lang sa baseline on backdoor, reverse layup and draws sa foul. Jersey number 8 yung sumabit. 8. Awarded ang free throw dyan sa jersey number 16. First throw, no basket. Eight, 9. Official score. 1 out of 2. 10-8. Official score. White leading by 2 points. Capiral scouting the floor. Pasa na kagad sa doble sa east. On the left wing, perimeter. Air ball. Nakuha pa rin ng G's. Hinaharap sa baseline. Pinasa lang. Steal. A bad pass. Atake ngayon. All the way to the hoop. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Natapik ang bola. Complete steal. Pass yan sa 17. Nag-ipit na. Atake ang 5. Pushing through. And traveling violation. Turnover. 2 minutes and 34. In this first period, jersey number 20 surveying the floor. Setting up the play for White. Pass on the right wing to jersey number 11. Inward pass, a big man switch back. Inward pass sa East, penetrate. And connects 2 points off the glass. Atake ngayon ang doble sa East. Crossover move siya. Naharas. Loose ball, outbound. Last touch ang Black. Lapus. Jersey number 20. Paasa sa right wing, inward pass. Cut and shoot, no basket. Sayang ang penetrate niya ron. Slicing the defense. Lapus receiving ball. Pinasa na sa big man. Atake sa baseline. Short. Offensive rebound pa rin niya. And draws a foul. Wow. Jersey number 11. First throw, basket count. Second throw. 1 minute and 26. In this first period. Second throw. No basket. 1 out of 2. Backs out para sa White. Infinity. Atake. Teardrop. No basket. Offensive rebound ng 0. Naipit sa baseline. Denied. Na-block siya ron. On the charity line, connects 2 points. Jersey number 12. Atake double says, pass to Capiral. Penetrate, engaging, and draws a foul. A blocking foul. Jersey number 16. Second personal foul. Jersey number 16. Exactly 1 minute. Remaining time in this first period. First throws, basket. Second throw. 1 out of 2. Backs out yan para sa Infinity by jersey number 20. Secured the ball. Inward pass. Outbound. Hindi na receive. Loses the ball. Capiral inbounding. Pass to Lapus. Nakita yung open wide and G's. No basket. Umatake sa baseline. Wala pa rin yan. Hinaras. Last touch. Ang block. Turnover. 42 seconds in this first period. 35 seconds. Shot clock down to 14. On the left wing, penetrate onset, inward pass, kick out, penetrate ang 20. 3-meter shot, no basket. And Jerson, oh, bad pass! Nakakuha yun. No basket again. Scrambling for the ball. Shot clock off, dying seconds. Drop pass, loses the ball. 12.5 seconds. Turnover. 12.5 seconds in this first period. Caperal receiving the ball. Hinaharas ng dalawa. Inward pass. 8 penetrate. Binomba. And draws a foul. Jersey number 11. .4 seconds. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. One out of two. Dying seconds. 5.4 seconds. Aim for three. Short. End of the first period. Okay. Back to the ball game. Second period. Next arrow possession, White, Infinity. Alternating arrow, jersey number 14 receiving the ball. On top of the key, aim for three. Short. Nakuha ng 16 sa baseline yung bola. And same ball possession. Last touch, White. Pasa sa 14. A pull up. Short again. Backs out yan. Breakaway kagad 16. Layup. Easy 2 points off the glass. 16-11. Black down by 5 points on the right wing. Inward pass. Sa 21. Naipit sa tatlo. Pakid 6. Aim for 3. Short again. Off the ring. Pass break na naman sa tres yan. Penetrate. Connects 2 points. It's 2-0 run by White. Pakid 14. Para sa block. Shot lock down to 14. Garcia, paasa na yan. Sa 14, perimeter, short again. Tinapik ang bola na ako ang 17. Pass break sa 3. Hindi na receive. Outbound. Turnover. Okay, 14. Para sa block. Surveying. As to Viceno. Binalik sa 14. Catch and shoot. No basket. Tinapik ko ng bola. Backs out pa rin. Denied ang second attempt. Atake ngayon ng White. Atake and tres coast to coast. And draws a foul. From jersey number 14. Time out! Time out block. back to the ball game. Awarded ang free throw. Jersey number 3. Centeno. First throw. Overshoot. Second throw. Black down by 7 points. No basket. Oy, merong violation entering too soon sa pagbabox out. Entering too soon violation. Atake niya ang block ngayon. Garcia didiskarte. Switch back to Garcia on the right wing. To jersey number 16. Inward pa sa big man. Dinalik ni Garcia. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Na-set up si Garcia ron. Atake ngayon ang Infinity. Jersey number 2. Aim for 3. Short. Outbound. Herbal. Atake 28. Garcia is scouting the floor, setting up the play. Pasa sa 21. Switch back kay Garcia. Aim for 3. Airball. Ooh, a putback ng big man nila, jersey number 11. Tumikit na ang score. 2-point lead White. Mendoza, switch back. To see. Atake ngayon. Sidestep move. Basket. 2 points. By jersey number 02. 4-point lead. On the right wing, transition of play. Perimeter, air ball. Nakuha yun. Na 25 yan. Pasa na kagad sa 3. It's a 3 and 2. Bumalik na ang depensa. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock. Drop pass. Drop pass ulit. Violation. 3 seconds. Nagpasahan lang sila ron. And jersey number 11 receiving the ball, pass to jersey number 16. Orchestrating the play, pass to Garcia. Naka-screen, aim for 3. Connects 3 points by Garcia. 19-20. 1-point lead White. Atake si C. Penetrate all the way and draws a foul. From jersey number 14. A holding foul. 5 minutes and 40. This spurs up. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. One out of 2. 21-19. 2-point lead White. On the right wing, jersey number 16. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound ng 16 din yan. Nakakuha ng 25 yan. Hinaharas ng 21. Pasa sa baseline. No basket. Defensive rebound 11. Pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 28. Binalik. Yan to. It is bad pass. Breakaway ang dalawa sa White. Easy 2-point. Still in a basket. Mandatory substitution. $23-19. 2 Ball possession advantage para sa White. Lapus receiving the ball. Orchestrating the play. Setting up the play. Inward pass. Atake 8. Open wide. Connects 2 points. Nahati ang depensa ron. Okay, jersey number 20. Point guard para sa White. Hinaharas ka agad siya ng Lapus. Still, natapikan. Atake Lapus all the way, coast to coast. Connects 2 points. Deadlock, first deadlock. 23 all. Atake 11. As to jersey number 20. Engaging. Drop pass lang yan. Nice pass. And draws a foul. Jersey number 5 on foul. Bonus shot and 1. And 1. Voila. Block. Last touch White. Turnover. Okay, Capiral. Scouting the floor. Switch back. Lapus. Inward pass. Naipit ang 8. Kick out. Capiral. Aim for 3. No basket. Tinapit ang bola. Nakakuha ng 25 yan. Para sa Infinity. Nakapenetrate. Engaging sa ilalim. Pull up. Hook shot. No basket. Defensive rebound niya ni Capiral. Controls the ball. Atake si Capiral. Crossover move. Natapikan. Big man. Still. Atake si C. Pinaras ng dalawa. Looking for a pass. Asa sa 0. On the right wing. No basket. Outbound. Turnover. Three minutes and 8 in this first half. Jersey number 66. Calling for an isolation. Pass to Capiral. Oh, bad pass. Hindi na-receive yun. Steal. Atake 20. Drop pass lang yan sa baseline. Naipit. And traveling violation. Na-rattle sa depensa. 2 minutes and 47. Lapus receiving the ball para sa block. Engaging. Pinasa.